What's up guys, my name's Asher and today I'm going to be showing you a little trick to fix this. Alright, all we're going to need is a paper towel. We're going to need some thin CA and accelerator, and then some scissors if you want to make it clean. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your paper towel and your scissors. You're going to want to cut out a little piece to kind of go over the crack in your canopy. Okay, once you have your pieces cut out, how it's gonna work is you're gonna put thin CA down on there, and then you're gonna take your pieces, put them on, put a little bit more CA on, and then zip kick it, and hopefully it should be good to go. I also recommend placing down another paper towel below your canopy just so you don't get any glue on the surface that you are working on. Alright, after you give it a few minutes to dry, should look something like that. And if you have any excess on the outside, you can just cut it off with scissors. Alright guys, that's just a quick little easy trick if maybe you crashed, broke your canopy, or kind of chipped it while putting it on. It is obviously better if you can use actual epoxy and fiberglass, but if you don't, not everybody has it. This is quick, easy, it's been working for me, so I don't know, give it a try. And have a good day. See ya.